Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use free hit in Fantasy Premier League. For that you have to first of all log in into your account. After that you have to go to Fantasy. From there you have to go to transfer and click on the player which you want to transfer. In my case I want to replace this player. First of all you have to remove that player and select the replacement. From here you can just add a player. So after adding your new player, you will get a free hit. Now scroll on a little bit and make a transfer. So after confirming transfer, your cost is 0 point. Just click on the confirm transfer. You will get to see the transfer has been completed. Now the free hit is activated. You can use it. So this is how you can use a free hit in your Fantasy Premier League. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.